Today is the auspicious day of Varalakshmi Puja. Women observe this Varalakshmi Vratam for various reasons. They pray to Goddess Lakshmi for health, wealth, peace, and long life of their family members, and it honors the form of Lakshmi who grants all the varams, all the boons. And moreover, worship on this day is considered equal to praying to the 8 divine forces of wealth, courage, wisdom, fertility, etc. Sumangalis observe this puja mainly for the long life of their husbands, which is all intertwined in our Hindu culture. Various prasadams are made and offered to the goddess on this day, like krokatai, vadai, payasam, and chitranam, like curd rice, tamarind rice, lemon rice, etc. And also they tie the holy yellow thread after they finish the puja. Varalakshmi's face is kept on a kalasam. Normally it is of silver and it is beautifully decorated, and then they sing a song which means, Varalakshmi, please come to our house and be happy with us and grant all the boons whatever we desire rightfully. Today I will be happy to share the song composed by Sri Muthuswami Dikshadhar in a signature style, including the Ragam Sri and also Gurguha. It's set to Rupakatalam. This song is being sung beautifully by my friend Mrs. Vaidehi Parthasarathy. My sincere thanks to her. Please enjoy the divine song on this divine day. Mahalakshmiyai Namaha.
Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam Vasu Prate Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam Vasu Prate Sri Sarasapate Sapate Pate Pate Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam Vasu Prate Sri Sarasapate Rasapate Sapate Pate Pate Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam Bhavajanaka Pranavallabe Suvarnabe Bhavajanaka Pranavallabe Suvarnabe Bhanukoti Samana Prabhe Bhakta Sulabhe Bhanukoti Samana Prabhe Bhakta Sulabhe Sevaka Janapalini Sruta Pankajamalini Kevala Gunasalini Keshava Hrityelini Sevaka Janapalini Sruta Pankajamalini Kevala Gunasalini Keshava Hrityelini Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam Vasu Prate Sri Sarasapate Rasapate Sapate Pate Pate Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam Shravana Purnami Purvasta Shukravare Charumati Prabritipi Pujita Kare Shravana Purnami Purvasta Shukravare Charumati Prabritipi पूजितकारे देवाति गुरु गुह समपित मणिमय हारे दीन जन संरक्षण द्विगुणधरण रे पावन बेता चतुरे पार्वती सन्नुत परे कैवल्य वितरण परे काक्षिद बल प्रदहरे पावन बेता चतुरे पार्वती सन्नुत परे कैवल्य वितरण परे काक्षिद बल प्रदहरे श्रीवरलक्ष्मी नमः स्तुभ्यं वसु प्रते श्रीसारसपते रसपते सपते पते पते श्रीवरलक्ष्मी नमः स्तुभ्यम्